Hello, everyone. Good morning to you all, and you are welcome to today's competition, the second one for the day. Before we start, I would like to say that this quiz is organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology and supported by College of Science and College of Engineering. We actually appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. We are truly grateful. This year, the quiz competition is proudly sponsored by KNUST E-Learning Center for all our media and video coverages. We are grateful. Institute of Distance Learning, KNUST. Thank you for making our journey around the nation easy and pleasurable. The venues you provide to support the quiz are well appreciated. Dext Technologies. At Dext Technologies, we say practical science is now practical. Thank you for making our technology challenge round a reality, and you always make it exciting and hands-on. Other sponsors include Ghana Great Company Limited, GreatCo. We provide reliable electricity grade for development. MTN Stakeholders Management, everywhere you go. Nestle Ghana Limited, good food, good life. To our media partner, Kesbin TV, thank you for your support. We appreciate heads of schools. We appreciate our hard-working teachers. We also appreciate students representing their schools. My name is Dr. Amalabi from the Department of Biochemistry and Biotechnology here at KNUST. I would be your quiz mistress for today. Remember, the Jsmq program is tailor-made for learners in the junior high schools to enable them exhibit their understanding of basic principles underlying the life and physical sciences. It is expected to make science and mathematics friendly and promote teamwork and critical thinking right from the early stages in life. I will therefore now introduce the schools that are competing in today's contest. We have Greater Grace Christian Academy, Ebubonko MA Basic School, and St. Nicholas Anglican JHS. Our contestants, well done. Greater Grace Christian Academy is represented by
Pastor Hansen, Basic 9.
Ebubonko MA Basic School is represented by
Clifford Abimbosu, Basic 9.
Ilem Presbytery, Basic 9.
St. Nicholas Anglican JHS School 3 is represented by
Emmanuel Akonaba Bruno, Basic 9.
Andrea Nananaya Amo, Basic 9.
You are all warmly welcome to this competition. Before we progress, can I hear the sound from the buzzer for Greater Grace Christian Academy? Thank you. Ebubonko MA Basic School, your buzzer. Thank you. St. Nicholas Anglican JHS. Thank you all. There will be 4 rounds in this contest. Round 1, fundamentals. Round 2, Fastest finger, fastest brain. Round 3, science and technology challenge. Round 4, decoding the clues. Contestants, I'll be reading the instructions at the beginning of each round, so pay keen attention. All the best to each and every one of you, and we are going to begin our competition. Round 1, fundamentals. This round consists of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT questions. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the other 2 schools to compete for. The score for a bonus question is 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations, and 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts for their main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. Bonus questions are open to the 2 other schools to compete for by ringing the buzzer. Failing to press the buzzer before answering the bonus question nullifies your answer. Thus, no point is scored even if you are right. Therefore, ensure to press the buzzer. Best wishes to all competing schools. This question is a preamble to all schools. Name the mode of nutrition in the following organisms. Greater Grace Christian Academy, Rhizopus, Rhizopus, a bonus question. The answer is saprophytic. Saprophytic. Ebubanko MA Basic School. Hibiscus. Hibiscus. Bonus. St. Nicholas.
Autotrophic nutrition.
That is correct. Autotrophic is correct. St. Nicholas Anglican JHS, your major question. Tapeworm.
Saprophytic nutrition.
Try again.
Heterotrophic nutrition.
Incorrect. Bonus. The correct answer is parasitic. The next question is also a preamble to all schools. You are browsing the internet to find pictures for a school project. Provide answers for responsible use of internet resources. Ebubonko, MA. What is the term for using a photo or content without permission?
Unauthorized access.
Try again. A bonus. Copyright copyright infringement is the right answer. St. Nicholas. How can one tell if an image is free to use for your project?
Freeway.
Try again. Bonus. The correct answer is check the license for the image. Greater Grace Christian Academy. What should be done when the content is copyright protected?
The content shouldn't be used.
Try again. St. Nicholas.
One must seek permission from the creator before using it.
That is correct. A preamble again to all schools. Name the precipitate formed in each case when aqueous solution of the following pairs of compounds are mixed. St. Nicholas, barium chloride and zinc sulfate.
Beryllium sulfate and zinc chloride.
Try again. Bonus. Greater Grace.
Zinc chloride subscript 2 plus H subscript 2.
Incorrect. Greater Grace. Sodium carbonate and lead 2 nitrate. Bonus. St. Nicholas.
Sodium nitrate and lead 2 carbonate.
Okay, I'll give it to you. Correct. Ebubonko, magnesium chloride and silver nitrate. Answer. I cannot hear you, please. Could you please repeat? I could not hear you.
Magnesium nitrate and silver chloride.
That is correct. Another preamble to all schools. An inclined plane is used to raise a box 25 kilograms to the top of the plane by an effort of 180 N. Assuming the plane is 60% efficient, calculate the G is equal to 10 meter per second raised to the power -2. Greater Grace Christian Academy calculates the mechanical advantage.
2,500 kilogram per meter.
Try again. Bonus. St. Nicholas.
5 out of 36.
That is incorrect. Ebubonko, calculate the velocity ratio. Bonus. Yes, St. Nicholas.
102.
That is incorrect. St. Nicholas, your major question. Calculate the angle the plane makes with the horizontal. Bonus. Yes, Ebubonko.
50 degrees.
That is incorrect. Ebubonko, your main question. A car travels 120 kilometers on day 1, 150 kilometers on day 2, 100 kilometers on day 3, and 130 kilometers on day 4. What is the average distance traveled per day?
$300.
Try again. Bonus. Yes, St. Nicholas.
125.
That is correct. Can you complete it with a unit? 125 what?
$125 kilometers.
Okay, that is correct. St. Nicholas, your main question. A family drive 90 kilometers on Saturday, 120 kilometers on Sunday, and 75 kilometers on Monday. Find the average distance traveled per day.
$95 kilometers.
That is correct. Greater Grace. A factory produces 500 units on day 1, 480 units on day 2, 520 units on day 3, and 490 units on day 4. Calculate the average number of units per day.
Kilometers.
Try again. Bonus, St. Nicholas.
542.5 kilometers.
Incorrect.
Units.
The following questions are statements. You are to state whether they are true or false. These questions cannot be passed on as bonuses. St. Nicholas. A valid email address can have multiple @ symbols.
False.
That is correct. Greater Grace. A valid email address is incomplete if it lacks the @ symbol.
True.
That is correct. Ebubonko. A valid email address must always include a period before the domain name.
True.
Incorrect. Greater Grace. The total amount after interest is added is called the maturity amount.
False.
That is incorrect. Ebubonko. In simple interest, interest for each year is different because the principal changes.
False.
That is correct. St. Nicholas. Simple interest can be negative if the principal is negative.
True.
Incorrect. On that note, we come to the end of round 1. At the end of round 1, we would still like to acknowledge our sponsors: KNUST, e-learning, KNUST IDL, Dext Technologies, MTN, Gradeco, and Nestle. We really appreciate your support and your contribution. At the end of round 1, Greater Grace Christian Academy has 3 points. Ebubonko MA Basic School has 6 points. St. Nicholas Anglican JHS has 10 points. Well done to all competing schools. Round 2. Round 2 is fastest brain, fastest finger. One question will be read out, and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from the question. After the buzzer is pressed, contestants must answer in 3 seconds. If a school gets the question wrong, the remaining schools get to compete to answer. Each school will have a maximum of 1 attempt to answer the question. A wrong answer in this round attracts a penalty of 1 point. Best wishes to all schools. Let us do a quick buzzer check. St. Nicholas, Greater Grace, Ebubonko. Thank you very much. Now listen to the questions attentively. Ama and Akosia were given 400 Ghana to share. Ama had 45 Ghana more than Akosia. If Akosia's share is X, write an expression for Ama's share. Yes, St. Nicholas.
45 plus X.
That is correct. The artificial rearing and breeding of fish in controlled environments is generally known as Ebubonko.
Aquaculture.
That is correct. Another question. A body absorbs 200 joules of heat if the mass is 2 kilograms and specific heat capacity is 50 joules per kilogram degrees Celsius. Find the rise in temperature. St. Nicholas.
One hundred 150 degrees.
Incorrect. Bonus. Ebubonko.
100 degrees Celsius.
Incorrect. The correct answer is 2 degrees Celsius. The process by which teeth emerge through the gums is called time is up. Eruption. A student developed a program as a game to keep checking the input of a user until it matches what is expected. What type of loop is employed? Yes, St. Nicholas.
Loop.
We are asking what type of loop is employed. While loop is the correct answer. When 2 light nuclei become one, one liberates quite a bit of nuclear energy. What am I? I repeat the question. When 2 light nuclei become one, I liberate quite a bit of nuclear energy. What am I? Nuclear fusion is the correct answer. Light travels from air into glass. What happens to its speed? Ebubonko.
Refraction.
Incorrect. Greater grace.
Reflection.
Incorrect. The correct answer is it decreases. The speed decreases. What is the perimeter of a triangle that is x meters long and y meters wide? St. Nicholas.
2x plus y.
Incorrect. Try again. Greater grace.
2x plus 2y.
That is correct. And on that glorious note, we come to the end of round 2. We appreciate our sponsors, KNUST, Dex Technologies. We appreciate you. We appreciate KNUST E-Learning Center, KNUST IDL. We appreciate all of you. We appreciate GradeCo, MTN, Stakeholders Management, Nestle Ghana. Thank you so much for your support. To our media partners, Kesben TV, we appreciate you. We are also using this opportunity to appreciate our heads of the various schools and for our teachers as well for their time and support. To our gallant students who are proudly representing their schools for this competition, burning the midnight oil and getting your names registered in this competition. Well done so far, and we appreciate you. And for our supporters who are sitting and supporting this competition, we say well done and thank you. At the end of round 2, Greater Grace Christian Academy has 3 points. Ebubonko MA Basic School has 2 points. St. Nicholas Anglican JHS has 1 point. Therefore, the overall scores: Greater Grace Christian Academy, 6 points. Ebubonko MA Basic School, 8 points. St. Nicholas Anglican JHS, 11 points. On that note, we will come to round 3, our Science and Technology Challenge. 1 question will be given to all schools. The question in this round... No, it's removed. We will take a break and do a substitution, and then we'll continue with round 3. Thank you. Come, okay? It's removed long ago. It's removed long ago. We were talking, you were telling me things. I didn't hear anything. Removed long ago. I tried to put it in. I hope there was no challenge. Vasti Hinson is going out and Kingsford Arthur is replacing her. Kingsford, you are welcome. Round 3, Science and Technology Challenge. One question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 15 points. Contestants will be given up to 15 minutes to complete the task. Round 3 is powered by Dext Science Set. You are provided with a laser labeled L, a screen labeled S, 2 paper cuts, and 2 polarizers labeled P1 and P2. Your task is to place the screen and laser in front of each other. Switch on the laser and make sure it can be seen on the screen. With the help of the paper cut, place polarizer P1 vertically in between the laser and the screen. Observe what happens to the laser light. With the help of the second paper cut, place polarizer P2 horizontally in between polarizer P1 and the screen. Observe what happens to the laser light. Rotate the polarizer P2 at an angle of 45 degrees and observe what happens to the laser light. Your related questions. What were your observations in task 2, 3, and 4? What accounted for your observations in task 2, 3, and 4? And then 3, what property of light is demonstrated in this experiment? All the best to each one of you. We have 3 more minutes to go. Contestants, 3 more minutes to go. Contestants, kindly stop everything you're doing. Well done. Your work will be checked and we will know your scores momentarily. Welcome back. So for the round 3, contestants, what was expected of you is that in task 2, the light seen on the screen reduces in intensity. In task 3, no light is seen on the screen, and when the polarizer P2 is rotated at 45 degrees, some amount of light is seen on the screen. The vertical orientation of polarizer P1 blocks the horizontal components of the light, reducing the intensity in task 3. When the second polarizer was placed horizontally, the vertical and horizontal components of the laser was blocked. Hence, no light was seen, and in task 4, changing the second polarizer by 45 degrees allows some light to pass through the light. And the work you all did, greater grace, you could not provide the right answers and could not give the right reasoning. Because of that, you had 2/10. Ebu Bonko, you also could not, but then you were able to state what reflection was in terms of polarization. So you had 3/10. St. Nicholas, you were able to give some correct answers to some of the tasks, and so you will get 4/10. So at the end of round 3, the entire scores, Greater Grace Christian Academy has 8 points. Ebubonko MA Basic School has 11 points. And then St. Nicholas Anglican JHS has 15 points. We continue with round 4. Round 4, this round is called Decoding the Clues. The question will be read out as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, 6 points are awarded. If answered correctly on the second clue, 5 points are awarded. On the third clue is 4 points. On the fourth or any other indication is 3 points. Contestants are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering disqualifies you from that question and nullifies your answer even if it is correct. All the best to all of you. So I'm starting with my question. I am a newer variant of computers. My user interface is highly user-friendly, and thus I am appreciated by many. I provide haptic feedback in addition to visual and audio cues when sharing information. I am special because of my ability to provide the features of my larger siblings. St. Nicholas.
5th generation computers.
Incorrect. My primary form of communication is a touch-sensitive screen. Who am I? Greater Grace.
Touchscreen.
Incorrect. The correct answer is smartphone. Smartphone. Second set. I am a 3-digit odd number. I make a palindrome. My digits are just two consecutive integers. My digits are simply binomial coefficients. My first and last digits are identical. Greater Grace.
99.
Incorrect. The sum of my digits is 4. Ebubonko.
111.
Incorrect. Saint Nicholas.
121.
That is correct. The third set. I am a carbon-rich substance. My name was first used in the work of a German chemist called Caspar Neumann. My first name is an adjective, which means obtained by digging or found buried in the earth. Saint Nicholas.
Gold.
Incorrect. My second name, Ebubonko.
Diamond.
Incorrect. My second name is a noun, which means burned to produce heat or power. I come in various forms, and when compressed or heated, I turn into fuel. Coal, oil, and natural gas are examples of my different forms. Who am I? Greater Grace.
Crude oil.
Incorrect. The correct answer is fossil fuel. The fourth set. I am a British physicist. I am referred to as the father of electromagnetism. Many applications have emerged from my laws on magnetic fields. My first name is the name of an archangel from the Bible. Who am I? Saint Nicholas.
Michael Faraday.
That is correct. On that good and excellent answer, we come to the end of round 4 and the end of our competition. Congratulations to all participating schools. Irrespective of the outcome, know that you are a winner and you are going higher and higher. For being able to come and compete, you have done very well. Well done, ladies and gentlemen. May good things happen to you. May this competition be an opening for greater things to happen to you. We would like to acknowledge our sponsors. KNUST, we acknowledge you. We acknowledge Nestle Ghana. We acknowledge MTN. We acknowledge our media partners. We acknowledge Desk Technologies. We say thank you, IDL KNUST. Thank you, e-learning KNUST, for making it possible for us to have this competition. So at the end of the competition, or at the end of the 4th round, Greater Grace Christian Academy, you had 0 for 4th round. Ebubonko MA Basic School also had 0. And St. Nicholas Anglican JHS had 6. So at the end of today's competition, Greater Grace Christian Academy finishes with 8 points. Ebubonko MA Basic School finishes with 11 points. St. Nicholas Anglican JHS wins with 21 points. Well done, all of you. And I will see you again another time. Have a good afternoon. Congratulations, St. Nicholas Anglican JHS. Thank you, everyone.